love you, Twitch, love you.
What are we doing today?
Cookies!
We're decorating some cookies.
Cookies! Behind the back.
Oh, okay. What does it say? It says
Sister!
the kit components. It says sugar cookies. There's 6 of them. There's decorating icing. There's 3 colors. There's red, blue, and yellow. And there's pastel confetti and mini candies. Okay, let's open it up.
We're opening it up! Yeah! So where's the tape?
I don't think it has a tape. It has a...
Dive!
There.
Dive!
The what?
Can I open it?
Yeah.
Last? No, I said last. Daddy?
Yes?
That's the open?
Yeah. Are they opening the box?
Yeah, the open box.
Are you going to paint some cookies today?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Spit this way. Ooh, look at that.
It's colors.
There's lots of colors. That's awesome.
Wait!
So the shapes are butterfly, egg, and flower. So what do you want to make, Rawson?
This one.
Yeah, but what cookie? What shape of cookie do you want?
This one.
Which one? Which one?
I want this one.
You want the
This
butterfly and you want the
one.
egg? Okay.
So you don't have this?
Yeah, I'll do the flower.
That's the deal. See?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I can't open it. I think I need a scissor or something. Oh, there.
No. Ooh, this is so tight.
Can you get us some other bed? No, it's okay.
That wrinkles.
Can you
Wait,
get us
what's
some?
oh, the other color. That wood. It looks good.
This one?
No.
Just a plastic one?
Yeah, plastic
It
one
looks
should be.
slime to me.
Is it?
Looks like slime to me.
Mm.
Whoa. Slow slime.
Yeah, maybe 5 blades.
I
There.
need slime. What do you make
Yeah.
5?
No, because I want this on the plate. Here, that's your plate. Here's for you.
Can I pour it in? Please.
Okay, so
Can I please pour it in?
so you want the butterfly?
Butterfly.
Yeah, you want this one? The egg.
Whoa, don't. It's the other way, Austin. There. Wait, Austin, wait. I want to pour it in.
You put it in.
Can I pour the other one too?
Okay.
Look like this one. Not yet. Why? That's my twinkle. Have this one.
Okay. Lots of sprinkle, right? Nice.
Nice.
Okay, I'll do the flower. I'm gonna copy this one.
Me too.
Okay, there.
But I don't think it's that I need slime.
I think, yeah, we need the scissors, please.
Ooh, it feels like slimy. Ooh, it's fun. Do you want to build this? Okay.
Okay, here. I'll no.
Open.
I know.
Mommy, but how to pull it?
No, yeah, I'll show you how to do it, okay?
Okay.
Give it to me, Rawson. Thank you.
Can I squeeze it?
Well, you squeeze it on your butterfly. So, look at me how I do it, okay?
Okay.
Rawson, you look at mommy, okay? You just take it out like that.
And you're about to copy it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fine. It's not slime. It's icing.
Here, you'll have the yellow. You want the yellow or the pink?
I thought the pink.
Okay, here's for you, Rawson. Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait. Not working.
It's not working.
Yeah, I cry one time.
Here, I'll help you, okay?
Don't use all the yellow. I need
What
it.
do you want to do,
I need
Rawson?
lots of yellow.
A
Look,
smiley
I need
face?
lots of yellow.
Oh,
I'm not going to copy it. I'll do my own design.
What's that?
Are you going to do your own design too?
That thing goes. That.
yeah. Oh, there, you squeeze this one. There, it's coming out.
That looks nice.
Is it yummy?
Yeah, yummy. Ooh. Oh, that's too little. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Oops.
Ah. Coming.
Is it coming out? What are you making, Rawson?
Oval.
An oval? What else?
I need to make this pink.
Nice, Phoebe.
Can I just eat it?
Yeah.
It's good.
You want to swap, Rawson?
Okay.
Here.
Quack. No. Ah. That's a bit too many. Need to put 1, 2.
You know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. You know
Did you cut this? It's so big.
Ah. Want that one.
Yeah, you can get one.
That one and put it there. Why don't you bit of this? You know what? I need more pink. Whoa. No, hey. Ah. No.
It's okay.
That.
Yeah, it looks good, Phoebe.
That's done already.
Yeah, I think so. I'll borrow your pink.
Rawson, you all wanted to use all of them. No. That's a bullet. Hey, I'm going to finish this later. I did it.
Good job.
I'm going to put something right here. Whoa, did it right for anything.
There's my cookie.
I'm putting I'll just do a pink ducky. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yes. That pink. That looks more like a bunny. No. See? Bunny.
Yeah, it's a bunny.
Duck. With duck.
Yeah, it's a duck.
Quack, 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 quack.
Silly.
Quack, quack, quack.
You like purple and pink.
Whoa, the other duck.
Oh, there's another duck.
Quack, 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 quack. Rawson, you're done? Oh, that actually looks nice to me.
I love it.
What's the blue one?
Are you eating it? Oh, you look messy now.
Yes, I'm messy now.
Yeah, you're messy.
Whoa. They're messy. I only need it like a duck.
A dot? Yeah, there.
Not a line like that. Rawson, you told them. No, I did it. I did it.
I know.
Dad. I did it, Daddy.
You did it?
Yeah, I did it. Hold them.
Good job.
High five, Rawson. Good job. That looks yummy. Your cookie egg looks yummy.
Yeah. Wait, eat it.
You want to eat it?
Okay.
Yeah, let's wait for Ate to be done, okay?
Yeah. Half done.
She's almost.
Yeah. Done.
Okay, we'll show it to the camera and everybody will smile, okay? And
Smile.
mouth big. Wait.
Wait.
There you go, guys. Thank you for watching Review Toys Review. Here's our cookie.
Yeah, cookies.
Here you go.
See you later. Stay watching. To you.
See you all soon.